Hey guys, we're back in Tinkercad. Yeah! Hey, does my voice sound a little different? I hope it actually should sound higher quality because I actually have a nice headset. Yay! Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah, I finally got a good headset. This is the Corsair HS80. It's got a super good mic on it for the price range, I guess. So no more $20 Amazon headset. So this is much better. I'm very happy. It won't sound like I'm underwater or just stupid. Okay, did you guys see the thumbnail? We are making a Minecraft character. A lot of people like Minecraft, and I'm one of them. Should be very easy, except what we are going to experiment with is the joints, like how to fit his head and arms on and stuff like that. Because me and my daughter are both into Minecraft, and I actually started a Minecraft channel. Wow, how original, right? Definitely going to be a while before that picks up any steam. But I have a character, Farmer Dan, in that channel. And I think I want to print out a print of him as a little action figure, you know? I don't know how I'm going to color him. I might have to paint it or something. But if any of you guys are into Minecraft or your kids are or something, I have a family-friendly Let's Play Survival Minecraft channel. The link will be in the description. In case some people might have searched this or found this Tinkercad video because they were searching Minecraft. Maybe. So either way, let's see. You could use this type of design though to make other kinds of like action figures maybe. And we'll just see. So let's let me show you a picture of I have a Minecraft action figure in my hand right now. I'm looking at it. Let me show you a picture. Okay, and I'll show you the side view. Okay. So yeah, like it's pretty easy. Look, we finished his head already. Dude, it pretty much is. Let me measure his head quick. His head is 22. So let's do we probably won't add 222. We probably won't add too many of the details because we're just going to try to get everything to fit. Like, you know, get the joints to work and stuff. And then we could worry about detail or trying to maybe print it in different colors. Okay, let's see. The main square of his body is, we'll call it 22 by, ooh, it's hard to measure. I could have measured this ahead of time, sorry. 22 by 27. Okay, here we go. So it's 27 long. And it's basically the same width as his head, which is fine. Okay, and then he has like a little... Well, let's do his arms first. Gee, this is funny. Oh, dear. It's so easy. Let's see. Let's do 11 by... We'll do 11 by 11 for his arms. So let's just pull this over and... Oh yeah, this has got to be 11 also. Because his body is thinner, if you remember that picture I showed you. So we'll do 11 by 11. And there we go. See, arm here. Is it the same length as his body? Actually, it goes a little farther. Well, I might as well measure it. 32. Okay. Let's do 32. We'll just do one arm for now because... Why does it look... Oh, that's just... Okay. Okay, this is so funny. Actually, to visualize, let's do two arms. But see, we're going to add some kind of connection point, which I have no clue what we're going to do yet. So stick around. Okay, does his shoulders match up like this? Let's put his head down a little bit. This is so funny. It's like... It's so easy. But kind of a little I guess the whole point is to get like movable arms and stuff and legs. So his little crotch attachment point is like, it's basically like this shape. So let's just slap one of these in here. Hey, maybe this will be like a speed run build. I mean, not really, but you know what I'm saying? Like a quick one. This might be something like I'd have to print a few different times to get like to decide how we'd want the joints. Okay, way to let me look down at him. Yeah, he's just got like an attachment point, like a oh. Okay. Yeah, like this, you know, which is a pretty common for like action figures, right? Is it sticking up? It feels like it's sticking up. Oh, it is. Let's hit D to drop it. There we go. Bye, bam, bam. Is it too long? No, I like it. It is a little too wide because the legs have to be. I'm just visualizing it. It's pretty thin in real life. Oh, actually, I just thought about it. I do want it kind of thin. Okay, let's align it. How are you guys liking my microphone? Is it cool? Oops. I am definitely happy to. I forgot how to use Tinkercad. I gotta get back to doing daily videos. Just kidding. Maybe every other day. Why do I have so many YouTube channels? Hey, oh, I should thank all the new subscribers and, of course, the subscribers that were here from the beginning. But we're actually gaining subscribers lately, and it's awesome. Thank you guys so much. And people are actually hitting the like button, taking the time to do that, and I appreciate it so much because it really helps the channel. And this is a new little tiny channel. Okay, stop messing around. Jeez. Are his legs the same? They look like skinnier. Oops, my measuring thing turned off. I forgot what it's called. Caliper. Okay, wow, okay. His legs are basically... Oops. His legs are like the same as his arms. Maybe a little skinnier. I don't know. Wow. Okay, let's just do this. Let's see if it fits. See, it does not fit. So they have to be a little skinnier. And they kind of like cut in. So actually... Ah, okay. Oh yeah, that's kind of why. They kind of cut in like that. Okay, let's just see if we can fit them both in there. Okay, so let's duplicate it and slide it over like the other one. See, they're going to be a little too close to each other. So let's shrink them in a little. Let's do 10. Perfect. Ooh, could I have done 10.5? Let's do 10.5. What the? 10.5. Okay. And 10.5 on this one. What the? Okay, I think I have to do my smaller motions. Okay. I'd like to align these, to be honest. So actually, let's put them the distance we want apart. So let's put it like that, and let's group these two together, because then we can align it with the body. We can actually align all three of these things now We already aligned that, but whatever. Okay, now everything will align with the body. See? There we go. Haha, Minecraft. Oh, this is so funny. It's so cheesy. Now the head actually, we're going to have to print that separate or something, because here, let me show you. The head like centers. So like when the action figure's standing up or whatever, the head's like that. But we can't print it like that. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to have to figure that out. Let's do these legs. Let's figure out the attachment point. I guess I have an idea we could try. Let's first cut. Let me look at his legs. Okay, he's got like a let's try something. Let's hit duplicate and turn this to a hole. And we need it to kind of cut. Yeah, it's got to cut like a little bit out. But we want it to cut the back too. Yeah, let's see. Would that work? So or is that going to look weird? Okay. I'm not exactly sure. Well, let's just do it for now. I mean, we could always change it somehow. I mean, by ungrouping it. Did I just hit ungroup? Oh, come on. What a noob. Hee I'm a noob. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Actually, that looks pretty good. Here, let me turn this red so it's not so whack. Okay. And let's see, would the legs swing on there? Yeah, they would. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's get one of these out of the way. Motion. And let's... Oops. Oh, dear. I shouldn't have grouped the legs, because we want to just do one leg. Right? I guess... Hold on a second. Well, actually, let's just slide the legs like this. Okay, let's just try something, okay? Bear with me. We just make stuff up as we go, kinda. Actually, that's exactly what we do. Whoops, why did I, should have held shift when I did that, but whatever. Okay, let's do something like this. Okay, and then so what I think we're going to do is we're going to have a little post that sticks out with a bigger end on it. So watch this. Let's duplicate it. Let's make it a little bigger, like this maybe. And then here, pull it down. Okay, see, like this is what I mean. Like, have something like this inside of the leg. This might be too big. No, that won't be too big. Is it too delicate, though? Okay, let's flip it. Oh, no! I should attach it. Okay, it'd be cool if this worked. So what we will do... Okay, let's combine these two. This is something where we just kind of have to try it. We just have to go for it. So see, this is what I mean. Let's put this like this. Um, do 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 do. I guess we could center it with, align it, I mean, with this. Oh yeah, it was way off. Good thing I did that. Okay, I feel like it should be over a little bit though. More like this. And, oh, I just noticed. Oh yeah, the top of the legs have to be rounded so they don't hit. On the action figure, they are rounded also. Okay, that's fine. Wow, do you think this will work? Because this, we could use these for the arms too. Ooh, you know what we're going to do too? Let's get them, we could get them ready for cutting. Okay, because see, we're going to have to cut. Yeah, it's going to have a hole cut in the things that we attach it to. So what we could do, let's select this. We'll duplicate it and turn it to a hole. So now there's two here. But let's make the one a tiny bit bigger though. So let's hold Alt and Shift and slide one of these. And it'll get ever so slightly bigger. Well, we don't want it. We want it to be able to print separately. Oh, it's going to have to be a little bigger than I thought. Because it has to be able to print with a airspace around it. Oof. You know what I'm saying? So see, kind of like this. There we go. Oh, wow. What? I thought it would have stayed centered. Did I not hold Alt and Shift? This should have stayed centered. I guess we could just eyeball it. Okay, there we go. So see, now this is ready to do a cut. I think it looks okay. I think it's good for the first experiment. So what we could do now is put one of these on this other side. Here, we can mirror it with this tool. Okay, let's see. Oh gosh, how am I going to know how far? Okay, I'm going to have to go back to this. Okay, one. Whoa, 1, 2. Are that millimeters? Okay, 2.5 millimeters. Wow. What is happening? Oh, 5.5, sorry. Okay, let's go 2.5 millimeters out from the model here. Oops. Wow, that was a lot of fumbling all at once. There we go. Okay, so technically when we go to bring the legs back, let's see if it all looks like it fits and stuff. So see, these will print. It'll print already attached. You know what I'm saying? Here, let's make this so we can see in there. Yeah. So see, wouldn't that maybe work? But we do have to round these legs off. before I forget. Uh, cool. I like that. It could work. Won't that be awesome? We could use the same joint for so many different action figures. So see, you don't have to just be a Minecraft fan. Okay, so let's put some up by the arms too. So we'll just do that. Okay, the tops of the arms are square, so that's fine. Is this centered? Yes, it is. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Okay, let's put one on the other side. Flip it around. Oh. Uh-oh. I hope I don't have more than I wanted here. Let's see. Well. Not quite sure what I did. Okay. And we want these also 2.5 out. It's kind of annoying. I gotta go like this and then switch to 0.5. 1, 2, 2.5. Okay, let's do that on this side. Whoops. I got to be better. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's annoying. Okay, okay. Okay, 2.5 out. 1, 2, 2.5. Okay, there we go. Hee hee hee. Oh yeah, we're gonna do the head different. What are we gonna do for the head? We'll figure it out. Okay, let's fix his legs. So oh, geez, they have to be curved right here. Oh man, I wish we would have curved them before we did our cut, but that's okay because we could ungroup it. Here, let's check it out. Let's ungroup this. Okay. Let's do this. Let's set this down. Let's cut his legs off right here. Okay. And we'll bring this out. Can we... Nah. Sometimes I don't like the cruising feature. I do use it though. Okay. To round the top of his legs, we could just use this. Right? And they're just kind of like, yeah, like this. Hey, we're pretty cool. Let's hit D to bring it on up. Hey, yeah, pretty quick fix, huh? Maybe? Okay, how I could just check how wide this is. How wide is it? Hello? 22.8. I usually like to make things a little more round of a number, but It wasn't '08, was it? That would be really stupid. Oh, it is. Oh well. Let's do it. Jeez. 8/100ths of a millimeter? That's important, everybody. Okay, let's line them up. Okay. Why does it look like... Oh, I guess it's fine. Why does it look like there's a little line right here? Like right here? Huh. Whatever. Okay, so see now we can still cut our thing. Boop and boop. And now we could group these. It's funny, all this like work for this super simple. Super simple. Oh, you know what we should have done? We should have made that the ever so slightly wider. Oh, we have to. Because otherwise it's going to mold, when it prints, it's going to print these connected. Oh, me. Oh, I'm glad I caught that. So, you know, all we have to do is make this wider. Oops. I made the whole thing bigger. We just want it wider. And then line it up. That's funny. I thought this was going to be like a speed run. Okay, let's see if that gives us what we want. Okay, let's bring it on in. Yeah, see, now there's a gap. That's good. And there's a gap everywhere. Everything's gappy. Yeah. Like everything's got a big old gap. Maybe too big. Should we bring this guy up a little farther? But see, we want there to be a gap here too. Here, let's check it like this. Oh, yeah, see right here. Ooh, see, too close. There. It's got to be like that. Wow. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Darn it. I mean, I wish... Is this still separate? Yes, it is. You know what we're going to do? We're going to shrink this a little bit. Can we do that? Let's check. Yeah, we could do that because now, see, now we can sneak the legs in farther. A lot farther. Okay, are they hitting? No, they are not. And look, they're not hitting nothing. Good choice, good choice, good choice. Oh, much better. Yay! We're doing good, guys. And we could just pop these arms in. We want about the same gap as between the legs. In theory. So maybe a little farther than that. That's too far though. Let's do... Well, we better do it the same on both sides. So just move it in until it touches. Now we count. Oh, so yeah, that means it's even. So see if you see it flashing like that? That means it's exactly even with the thing. So we could count out now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are tenths of millimeters. If anybody cares. 8. Let's go 9. Duh, so we ended up going 1 millimeter? Yeah. We'll go with 1 millimeter out. Okay, let's put his other arm on. It's going to be a little tricky selecting what we want. Well, no, it isn't. It'll be easy. Everything is easy. Hey, we're kind of like making Lego dudes. Wow, actually, it's very similar to Lego, ain't it? I don't have any Lego guys. Like, if we just change the thickness of stuff and made a round head, it would like be Lego. Oh, see? For the Lego fans. So, what? Okay, we did it. Now, we can't just select everything and group it because it will cut out our little joint. So what we'd have to do, let's make sure we're ready for it. Hey, it looks good. Okay. Wow, it's been 30 minutes. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so what we would actually do is select just the cut part. So this, and then the arm. And it's going to cut. Oh. 1 second. Hold on. I gotta check something. Okay, never mind. I was thinking wrong. Because, see, I'm like, uh-oh, it's going to cut into here. But look, we're not going to select this. So, never mind. I was worried for nothing. So, we want just the cut and just the arm. And here we go, group. And it'll just cut there. So, see, it just cut the hole for our joint. Here, watch. See? And it cut it a little bigger than our joint. Oh, I hope it works. Ooh, it might just mold together. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? It might just merge. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the rest of the limbs group. And the legs. We could do this all at once, so we can just select this, this, and these. And group. Okay. Let's check it. Yep. It's good. Okay. So everything, its body is done. We have no idea if these arms and legs are going to work, but won't that be fun to test? Or print and try, you know? That'd be really cool. It might just need some slight adjustments, you know? Okay, let's quick figure out how we're going to attach the head. And we can print this guy out and see if he moves. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pause because I need to think about how to attach the head. And I got to drink my coffee. Okay, I just had a simple idea. Okay, this is 22 by 22. Let's just do a little post and have it stick into his neck so his head can be like changeable, you know? And it'll be really easy. So let's just center. His head's a perfect square, so we could do it on the top for now. So let's think about how big we want the post to be. How about a little taller? Let's do it like that, and we want it smooth. And we want it centered, aligned. Okay. And we also want to do that same thing as last time. We want it to cut a hole, but we want the hole to be ever so slightly bigger. So let's duplicate it. Turn it into a hole, and now we're going to hold Alt and Shift. Let's go close and just make it a teeny bit bigger. There. It is very, very much so. Let's see. Let's look. Yeah, it's bigger. Ever so slightly. So, let's flip this. Okay. And we can center it with the body, correct? Right? That shouldn't hurt nothing. So if we hit a line, and we'll click on the body so that becomes the master. So we don't want the body to move, you know. Okay, now if we hit this, okay, good. Everything's centered. Okay, let's move it down. Because we got to cut our... We got to see where we want it. We want it really... Oh, we might... We actually... We're going to print it separate. So we want it pretty much all the way down like that. We'll do it like this. Okay, let's click off because we just want it to cut... We just want to select just the cutout and the body. And group. There we go. So now, see, we have a post. This post will stick down in there. See, watch. I'll see if I could select it. Here, we could group these two. The head and the post. So see, look. There. Boop. We just made a removable head. And his head's... Oh, geez, what am I doing? I don't know why it's red. It just chooses... It just chooses stuff. We should have done like a peach color. There. See? Hey, we could get a little look at what he looks like quick. There he is. Look at that detail. You can almost... It almost looks like photorealistic of a real human. Okay, so see, I'm just going to do this. Hit D to make it level on the playing field. Wow, I said that wrong. On the build surface. There we go. That's what I meant. Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling like we forgot something. I'm just putting it closer so the printer doesn't have to move as far. Oh my gosh, could it really be this easy? Okay. I think it's time to print. Is everything sitting flat and... Okay, I think everything's okay. All right, I'm going to print this out and we'll cross our fingers. And I don't know what size to print it. Maybe I'll print a couple sizes. And we'll see what happens. Oh, I'm actually kind of excited. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Okay, so I brought the... Look, I brought the whole build plate down. It's just easier to film down here by the big printer. Okay, I thought I would record the moment of truth and see if we nailed it on our first try. We probably didn't, but that's okay. Do we need the scraper? One thing that's cool about these removable ones is you can just kind of you can flex them. See, watch. There. Oh my gosh, do you think it's gonna work? Oh yeah, I thought I broke his head off. I forgot. Boop. Okay, first, the moment of truth. Actually, I don't expect this to fit perfectly. Hey. It's too loose. But actually, I thought it was gonna be too big. So it'll still work, because look. That's too loose though. Okay, let's see. This is the main part. So far it feels solid. Let's see. It's either going to break completely off or we're going to break our joints free. Uh-oh. It feels pretty solid. Oh my gosh! Yes! We did it! Let's see if this one will... Let's see if all of them break free. Oh gosh, it's tight. Uh-oh. That one might snap off. Look at this one. That one's perfect. Uh-oh, this one feels like it's going to snap off. I think I just twisted it. Okay, let's try the legs. Oh, that one worked. That one worked too. Am I breaking this one? Okay. Wow, we almost got it. Look it. Oh, wow, here we can put his head on. Yeah. Oh gosh. Let's see if does he stand up? Of course he does. Check it out. Okay, so we need a fix. We're gonna make his. Why did that get so much looser? Okay, we're gonna fix his head, and all we need to do. Three of these worked out perfectly. Let's see, they kind of hit right there. Okay, I'm just looking at the flaws. They got movement just like that. Actually, that's like perfect. So what? This is the only one that didn't break free. It's twisting. So but I don't want it much looser. I'll have to check on that one and see if something was different. Because these ones broke free, and I love it. Oh, it's awesome. So honestly, it just needs a slight adjustment. Look at that. We can already start posing him. Here, let's make it look like he's walking. Oh, that's so great. The lighting's really bad, and I probably wasn't centered. Wow, isn't that cool? I'm so happy. We got a Minecraft character already. Okay, let me... his head fell off. Okay, let me try one more time. All right, guys, here we go. So what I did was I printed it a little bit bigger because that will give more space and sturdiness to the joints. And I also printed it a little sturdier. I printed like 6 shell lines or shell layers. You know what I'm saying? And we'll see what happens. I think it's going to work. So let's... there we go. There we are. I noticed I wasn't paying attention when it was printing. It looked like the first couple layers, something was screwed up on the corner of his head, but that's okay. Okay, you guys ready? Let's try it. Arm 1. Good. Beautiful, actually. Arm 2. Done. Oh, really nice. Leg? Yes. We got leg. Okay, one more. Yes, we did it. Yes. Look, he could even sit. I think. Oh, yeah, I made one little change right here. I actually made a bigger gap right here so these could bend farther. He can't quite sit, but wow, look at, we made an action figure. Oh, yeah, his head. Whoops. I don't know if his head's going to fit. Yes. Wow, it fits really good. Oh my gosh, we did it. Here, let's stand him up. Yes. I'm so happy. Okay, let's see. Can he do a little walking? Maybe if this hand is backwards? Yes. All right, guys. Wow, this is cool. Let me see where it's hitting. Oh, okay. So if I make more of these, I'm going to make this cut come down a tiny bit farther. This one here. Because look, his legs can't quite fold to a sit. So all I have to do is take a little bit out of there. I don't have to change nothing else. Even the head is pretty tight. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, I absolutely love it. There, we got our first action figure. Yay! All right, hey, if you guys are Minecraft fans, go check out my channel. It's very brand new, so it needs subscribers. All right. Well, hey, thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and we'll do all kinds of weird stuff like this. We got our first action figure. Yay! Thank you. Bye.